Hi, I'm Javier Chase. This is my Khan Academy final project that I've named Battle Monsters. First off in my code, I've got the Khan Academy button code. Uh, Only a minor difference. I added this configurable called graphic. Basically, what it'll do later on is it'll get an image and it'll put it next to a button. You can see right here whatever value you put in for graphic, then plus this x plus 110. For global variables, scene, monster type AI, monster type, and Victor. Scene changes to scene, obviously. Monster type AI will determine who you're fighting against. Monster type will determine who you're using to fight, and the Victor will determine who wins. Here's all the next three buttons are pretty much all the same, besides the graphic and the monster type value that it'll be assigned. So if you click fire, then the monster type value will always be 1. And if you click water, it'll always be 2. And if you click earth, it'll always be 3. But each one will also set the monster type AI to a random integer between 1 and 3 to simulate a sort of opponent, like an unpredictable opponent. So it'll draw whatever. Not whatever, but here's handles all the mouse clicked, depending on the scene. If the scene is equal to 0, all that jazz. Here's the mount monster select function. This basically just draws the monster that you chose onto the final screen, which would be this one. So since we selected fire, it'll draw fire. The same for the rest. And the monster select AI function just grabs the monster type. Depending on the monster type AI value, it'll draw a graphic slightly further to the right. And for the battle outcome function, it changes the victor value depending on which type value you have and what the AI has. So it's a rocks, paper, scissors, shoot sort of thing. So 1 will be 3, 2 will be 1, and 3 will be 2. And if it's the same value, they'll just draw. It'll change the victor value. So 1 is a defeat. 2, if the victor value is 2, it's a draw. And if it's 0, then it's a victory. These are just my scene functions. It just has the functions from earlier in them, as well as some just some cosmetics like background, some text. Then there's the draw function. All right, thank you.